Namaskar, hello everyone. Today we will discuss about a very much important accounting term that is called security premium. What we mean by security premium? Securities premium. When we use the word premium, so it simply represents something in excess. Okay, so first we are coming into the companies, all those companies which are involved with the shares or securities. So this is mainly found in the balance sheet of a public company, because in India only the public company can issue the shares. So when a company issue the shares at premium, means when company issue its share in the market at a higher price than the face value of the shares, that excess of the face value, excess of the market value over face value is called premium. That premium amount does not include it in share capital. That is most important. I am repeating once again. When company issues shares at premium, means at a higher price which is higher than the face value of the shares, that excess prices represents premium and it never included in the share capital. So a separate account is being formed which is called securities premium account. So from the securities premium account, the company comes to know that that is the excess amount that is coming out of the issue of the shares. And it always has a credit balance. Remember, because it follows the principle of the nominal account. All loss and expenses are debited, all profit and incomes are credited. So securities premium, the premium is always a profit for the company. Say if the company face value is 10, the company is issuing in the market at rupees 13, that rupees 3 is the excess amount the company is earning against the issue of each and every shares. So that excess amount represents premium, and that is included in the separate account called securities premium account, not in the share capital account. So securities premium account has a credit balance, and it shows, and this amount and this particular account represents the excess amount the company is earning by way of issuing securities. That is the main concept behind securities premium. Hope you understand the concept. If you understand the concept, then like my video, subscribe my channel and share this video.